Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with essentials. Make a system restore point and ensure you have admin rights. This protects you if a driver change misbehaves. Once done, back up critical files because firmware or driver installs can fail. Now open Device Manager by typing it in Start and pressing Enter. This is where Windows lists storage controllers and disk drives. You're taking these steps to reduce risk and get direct access to the driver entries you'll update next, so do not skip them. Once Device Manager is open, locate your SSD under disk drives and the NVMe controller under storage controllers so you update the correct component. Right-click the device and choose Update Driver, then select either Search Automatically, Windows Update, or Browse My Computer if you downloaded the vendor driver. If a manufacturer driver exists, install it because it often improves performance and power management versus the generic Microsoft driver. Also, update the storage controller entry. If your vendor provides, you finish by rebooting. Many driver updates only apply after a restart. After boot, reopen Device Manager and check driver details to confirm the version and provider. This ensures the new driver loaded. Run a quick performance test or basic file copy to verify expected speed and stability. If anything goes wrong, make sure to roll back the driver from Device Manager or uninstall it in safe mode and restore your system point. That troubleshooting tip gets you back to a working state without data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.